This is the all-new 2022 BMW M240i xDrive Coupe. For those of you who don't know me, this is Samir Umer from BMW Toronto. What I'm gonna do today is the first walk around and virtual delivery of this vehicle, which means I'm gonna get inside and go through all the setup. You're gonna see it here first. This is a pre-production model prior to its official launch. It's going to start production in a couple of months, but you're seeing it here in the gorgeous Thundernight Metallic. So let's walk around a bit and then I'll tell you more about this car. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint, especially with the high gloss black contents. This is your standard inline 6-cylinder, 387 horsepower. It is an xDrive, so that means it is an all-wheel drive. This car right now has every option on it available that you can order it with, and we're gonna go over that. Okay, so for those of you wondering what comes standard with the 2022 M240i xDrive Coupe, the standard features are remote engine start, 19-inch M light alloy wheels, double spoke style 792M with all-season run flat tires. These are not those wheels. This is a different set that we'll go over in a bit. You get heated steering wheel, M Sport differential, sport automatic transmission with pedal shifters, tire pressure monitor, variable sport steering wheel, alarm system, rear view camera, M Sport brakes that are dark blue, the standard brakes. These are red, which we'll go over that. Velour floor mats, auto dimming exterior mirrors, electric seats with driver memory, through loading system, which means you can fold down the rear seats, heated front seats, high gloss black trim, ambient lighting, park distance control front and rear, which are your parking sensors, automatic climate control, dynamic cruise control, high beam assistant, driving assistant, rear seat headrest folding, Sirius XM satellite radio tuner. In Canada, you get a free 6-month subscription so far. Hi-Fi sound system, intelligent emergency call, teleservices, connected drive services, connected package professional, BMW Life Cockpit Plus, M Sport suspension, M leather steering wheel, M aerodynamics package, M rear spoiler, high gloss black window surround, anthracite roof liner, high speed maximum performance tires. Oil service intervals is usually within 15,000 kilometers. Again, we are here in Canada. All the specs that I'm mentioning standard are for Canadian market. I'll go over in a second what this car is packaged with as well. But for those of you who don't know me, again, I'm Samir Umar from BMW Toronto, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It's because of your love that I continue making videos like these. So please do subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and do like the video. And please share the video with family and friends, and comment below what you liked about the video, what else you would like to see. If you have a question about this car or you'd like help ordering one, please give me a call. My contact details will be in the description box below. So for packaging, moving forward for 2022 in Canada, you get no charge scheduled maintenance for 3 years, 60,000 kilometers. Yes, that's right, it's free maintenance. Warranty is still 4 years, 80,000 kilometers. This one has the premium package enhanced, or premium enhanced package, which gives you comfort access, glass sunroof, lumbar support, passenger lumbar support, storage compartment package, adaptive full LED headlights, head-up display. Yes, you can get head-up display in an M240 now. Harman Kardon sound system, M Sport Pro package, which shows you these wheels now. These are the 19-inch M light alloy wheels, double spoke, style 893M, bicolor, with performance non-run flat tires. That means you get a tire repair kit in the vehicle. It does have the M technology package, individual shadow line headlights, So you can see the housing behind has been blacked out, which I love. You get the M seat belts. So inside the seat belts, you will see the M colors on it. So not sure if you can see that. They're in the back too. High gloss black exterior contents. So everything is high gloss black, including the mirror caps. And if you see, notice these are the M style mirror caps. So kind of like the M2. You get adaptive M suspension, M sport brakes with the red calipers, which you can see right here. This does have the glass sunroof, which is optional. M highlighters, which are illuminated. What this is something brand new. So let me show you on the door panels. So those are the M highlighters. You can see on the passenger side door as well. And apparently these are illuminated. Adjustable seat side bolsters, aluminum tetragon trim, which is the interior trim here shown. Active cruise control with stop and go. Yes, you can get active cruise control now on these cars. Parking assistance plus with surround view, so the car can parallel and perpendicular park itself, and has GPS-based surround view camera. BMW Drive Recorder, first time in the 2 Series. Yes, you can get a Drive Recorder, which is BMW's version of the dash cam system. So it's going to use all the 4 cameras to record, to have a recording just in case there's an incident. You have wireless charging with extended Bluetooth and USB, BMW Live Cockpit Professional, so the digital gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot. Color again is the Thundernight Metallic, and the interior is the black Vernasca leather with blue contrast stitching. All right, so I'm going to do a quick walk around. We'll open up the vehicle and then we'll get inside and go through the setup. Did you guys notice the door handles? They're more flush now, not sticking out. Huge trunk space. So here's the engine bay. Okay, so here you can see the car all opened up. You do have the M badging on the side. And have you noticed the new kidney grills? Brand new style for BMW. Gorgeous. I think overall the car looks very mean. And for those of you into modifications, yes, it does have the fog light delete. All right, so let's get into the car and we'll go over some setup. Sorry guys, it's gonna sound loud, but trust me, it's not. We're indoors, so it echoes a bit. This car would give you some nice crackle and burbles and all that good stuff. This is a pre-production model, so again, everything has been silenced. There are a few options that have been deactivated on the vehicle. So again, I'm gonna set this up for you for the first time. Alright, so let's go over media. Obviously you have your standard Sirius XM, FM, AM, Spotify, screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio, all that good stuff. COM, which is your communication devices, your cell phones that you can pair here. Nothing too special. Same iDrive 7 as we've been having for the last year. Navigation, you can go through your map settings here, customize it from here. Car, I'll go over that in a second. Let's go into apps. Yes, you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard in the car. Install apps, if you see one of them, is the BMW Drive Recorder, which you can set up. And that's all set up for you. Let's look at some of the other apps. You have the M-Lap Timer, the automatic window. So once you paired with your car and you talk to your car, you can say, hey BMW, roll down my window, it'll do that. Or hey BMW, what's the weather, and so, and it'll show you all that. So it has a live data connection. If you go into car, under settings, general settings, date and time, you can set it up to auto, so it'll take care of your daylight savings, all that good stuff. Some things, keep in mind, again, would not work here just because it's a pre-production model. They've been deactivated. Personal assistant, your voice control, so you could activate hey BMW, hello BMW. When you make the car yours and you pair your phone with your car and set up your profile, you can activate a personal voice word as well. So you can call it like hey dumbass, or hey Beamer, or hey Mona Lisa, and it'll do that, and it'll listen to your commands then. This is your sound settings, so bass, treble, all that good stuff. Touchpad is referring to you, this thing right here. Your pop-ups, getting started, what we're doing, speed warning you can set up, fatigue and focus alert. So I would keep it at sensitive, so the car is going to warn you if you're dozing off, and if you're swerving a bit too much, it'll tell you to okay, pull over, grab, take a break. Engine sound, if you like the sporty sound, you can always leave it to sporty, or depending on the driving mode you select, which is Eco, Pro, Comfort, or Sport. Data privacy, I would leave it to that, so your phone, my BMW app, and the car can pair well. Mobile devices, again, wireless charging, activate reminder, so if you leave your phone behind on the wireless charging tray, the car will ding at you left your phone behind. Remote software upgrade and reset vehicle data, you can do that here. Sorry, the car keeps going off because it's on low battery. I gotta keep the engine running, but I'm in the showroom, so can't really do that. Okay, driving mode, you can configure Sport and Eco Pro. Exterior lighting, pretty standard. Driver assistance stuff. Here's something interesting. So yes, you do have advanced driver assistance features now in the car standard. Forward collision warning, let's set it up to early. Lane departure warning, early. With steering intervention and active blind spot detection, set to early. Speed limit assistance and parking and maneuvering, since the car has auto parking. Let's activate these features. Okay, steering wheel feedback, let's keep it to strong. Displays, yes, it does have head-up display, so you can set that up. I like to keep it right in the center there. Okay, instrument panel is referring to this, so you can have map view on or route preview, or keep it off. Control display. Doors and vehicle access, yes, you get a digital key, so you can activate that. Comfort access, unlock when approaching, lock when walking away. Actually, we're gonna deactivate that for now. Okay, interior lighting. It's set to lilac right now. You can change it to different color options, and it actually shows you where all it will illuminate. So pretty interesting. I guess you'll see it better in the nighttime. Right now, all I'm seeing is lilac over here, up here, but the others I'm not. It's just pretty bright in here, or maybe they've deactivated. Well, actually, I'm seeing it here in the door panel there too. But yeah, you have a lot of color options to choose from. Climate control, preconditioning, ventilation. This is where you would come to have your remote engine start activated. I have activated, but right now it's not going to work. It's a pre-production model. That option has been deactivated. And that's pretty much it. If you want to know more in detail about these cars, please write me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer those questions or make a video of those. But please ask me, and for those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. Like the video, comment below what you liked about the video, what else you would like to see, and as time permits, I will answer those questions for you and make those videos for you. You guys, really appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll leave you with another exterior view of this car. So for those of you who are not going to get a chance to see this one live, this is a video you can refer to. I've done a detailed video of all the standard features, options, features available for the car. A lot of color options available in the car, for the car. So yeah, here it is. We have it today all day, and then we have it again tomorrow. And the car unfortunately leaves on Friday. So if you guys want to come see it, give me a call. My information is in the description box below. Give me a call, stop by, take a look. I'd love to show you the car.